5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. During his visit to ISRO, Prime Minister Modi declared that August 23 will now be celebrated as National Space Day. The declaration has come after ISRO successfully landed a spacecraft on the south pole of the moon. On August 23, history was made. One of the world's most elite space research organizations, India's ISRO, successfully soft landed on the south pole of the moon. With the marvelous success of Chandrayaan-3, India became the fourth country in the world to soft land on the moon and the first to do so on the south pole of the lunar surface. Stanza. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Bengaluru to laud ISRO scientists on their success. He visited the ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network Mission Control Complex and met the geniuses behind the success of Chandrayaan-3. During his visit to Bengaluru, PM Modi declared that August 23 will now be celebrated as National Space Day. He also said that the spot where Vikram lander soft landed on the moon will be referred to as Shiv Shakti. He also associated the term with Nari Shakti, the strength of Indian women who had made significant contributions to the mission's success. Moreover, the spot where its predecessor Chandrayaan-2 crashed and left its footprints will be known as Tiranga. Stanza. After landing on the south pole of the lunar surface, the Pragyan rover was deployed to explore. The rover was released from Vikram using a ramp. This six-wheeled rover is powered by solar energy and carries two spectrometers to study the composition of the moon's surface. It will move around the landing area for about 14 Earth days, which is roughly equivalent to one lunar day of sunlight, to carry out several experiments. Stanza. Vikram lander is equipped with 4 scientific instruments as well. The first instrument is a seismometer designed to detect moonquakes, while the second one studies how heat moves through the lunar surface. The third aims to understand the plasma environment around the moon, and the fourth is a retroreflector to help understand the gravitational interaction between the moon and the planet. Stanza. The success of Chandrayaan-3 is a huge step for not only ISRO but the global scientific community. India's first lunar mission detected the presence of water on moon, and Chandrayaan-3 is a step forwards in examining the composition and distribution of ice present on the lunar surface. This mission will provide valuable insights into the origin and evolution of the moon, as well as its potential for supporting future human exploration. Additionally, Chandrayaan-3 aims to further enhance India's technological capabilities in space exploration and strengthen its position as a leading player in the global space race. Stanza. Whereas G20 as a special club made up of the world's 20 largest economies. These economies are like the superheroes of the financial world, each with its own strengths and powers. The G20 members include countries like the Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, etc. represents the collective interests of its member states. These 19 countries, along with the European Union, form the group of G20, a forum for international cooperation on financial and economic issues. When these countries join forces, their decisions can impact not only their own citizens but people all around the globe. Stanza. The G20 Summit 2023 will be conducted in New Delhi, India from September 9, 2023 to September 10, 2023. India's G20 logo draws inspiration from its national flag's vibrant colors and features the earth paired with the lotus, symbolizing growth amid challenges. It promotes sustainable choices at individual and national levels for a cleaner future. India's G20 presidency aims for equitable global growth and sustainable harmony, aligning with its Amrit Kal, a 25-year journey towards a prosperous human-centric society. By its 100th independence anniversary in 2047, Stanza. G20 presidency guides the agenda for a year and hosts the summit. It has two tracks: finance, led by ministers and central bank governors, and a Sherpa. Working groups in both tracks include members, guest countries, and international organizations. The Ministry of Finance heads and the finance tracks working groups. Sherpas coordinate summit agenda discussions and oversee negotiations. Previous, current, and incoming in CRZ. Second, on the other hand, storage of non-hazardous cargo such as edible oil, fertilizers, and food grains is permitted in the notified ports. Over.